How's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your oil warning indicator after you've done a service. This is my second take on this because the audio was not good enough in the first one. So first of all, this warning here has nothing to do with the service warning. So if you're getting that, you're going to need to plug in the vehicle to check other items. The service warning itself, I'm going to show you where to go for that. So you're going to be using this touchpad here and we'll press enter. So you see the oil life there. Now we'll just scroll up out of the way. You can have any of them indicators up. Just press the left side, and if you're in audio, phone settings, and you'll want to go to the very top one, which is info. So we'll scroll back up to that, press enter. That brings you to that screen. Scroll down through it until you find the oil life. That would be 0% remaining when, or something low when you need your service redone. So if you got to that screen, you then come here and you press the right hand button. That brings up reset, and then you press the center button afterwards. And that would reset it back to 100% again. So that is how you reset the service warning indicator in a Vauxhall Insignia. This is a 2015 onwards model. I do have the older version done on another video as well, which I will link in the description. If you're wondering about that service vehicle soon warning, that is to do with a fault in the computer itself, and you're going to need to get that checked as to what that actually entails. I hope that helps you. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.